Welcome to this video on how to set up Silver Fox's Fox-in-a-Box label printing kit. First, unpack the box. Then open the box containing the ribbon. Push the spindles into the two cardboard cores. One holds the ribbon, the other is empty. Then lift the two spindles away from the box and place the spindles on the desk. To position, push the ribbon and empty core down the spindle. Now it's time to remove the pieces of tape and open the printer. Mount the ribbon spindles into position. Then close the ribbon carriage. Next, plug in the power and USB cables. Connect the other end of the USB cable to a computer. Plug the mains lead into the power socket. After this, switch on the mains source. And of course, don't forget to turn on the printer. We've shown you how to load a ribbon that's 110 mm wide. This width can be used for all our thermal labels, but to help save cost and reduce waste, depending on the label type you're using, we also offer narrower widths of ribbon. Here's how to set up the printer for a ribbon that's 60 mm wide. Having pushed the spindles into the ribbon core, remove the spindles from the box and push the cores down the spindles. Once you've done that, the spindles can be mounted on the ribbon carriage. Please note that when not using a full-width ribbon, the position along the spindles of the feed ribbon and take-up core may vary according to the label you're printing. Here's how to set up the printer for a ribbon that's 25 mm wide. Push the spindles into the ribbon cores and keep the rolls tightly together when you take them out of the box. Incidentally, the box should contain 2 rolls of ribbon, amounting to 600 meters of ribbon in all. Keep the ribbon taut on the spindles so that the ribbon doesn't unravel. Now, keeping the spindles taut, turn them upside down and gently lower the ribbon about 25 millimeters or 1 inch. To allow you to mount the spindles onto the ribbon carriage, unroll the ribbon slightly. Then carefully push the ribbon down until its bottom edge aligns with the black dot, which the yellow arrow is pointing to here. You might need to adjust this setting slightly when you're printing your labels. Line up the ribbon cores on both spindles so that they're in line with each other. Then lift the front spindle to tighten the ribbon. Once you've done that, put the spindle back in its place. Remember that when you leave the printer overnight or for long periods and labels are loaded in it, you should keep the ribbon carriage open. When moving the printer, please ensure that the spindles, together with the ribbon, are removed from the ribbon carriage. You can store these in the well behind the ribbon carriage. Fox-in-a-Box can print all Silver Fox's thermal labels for a wide range of applications, using one software, one printer, and one ribbon.
At the end of each print run, your labels will automatically feed out of the printer. The next time you print, the blank labels automatically roll back into the printer. The advanced and professional versions of the software include this unique rollback functionality, saving you money on labels and helping to reduce waste in the environment.
The software that drives the Fox-in-a-Box is called Labicus Innovator. With that, you can also print all our laser labels on a laser printer. Other popular options include printing our Legend non-shrink tubing via our Fox-in-a-Box printer, then using a mounting bar to produce tie-on cable labels. Or, using a laser printer, you can print our ProLab polyester A4 self-adhesive sheets to label equipment and cabinets. If you don't already have a Fox in a Box, you can trial our Labicus Innovator software that drives the Fox in a Box. It has 3 levels: basic, advanced and professional. You get 3 separate full days of trial on each, so that's 9 separate days, all free of charge. If you already have a Fox in a Box and then find you need more functionality, you can upgrade your software at any time. Existing users also benefit from our unique automatic cloud updates, so wherever you are in the world, you can always be sure you're running with the latest release. Of course, internet access is required. Now, if you need any further help or information, please contact the Silver Fox support team. We now offer support via WhatsApp, where you can send photos, screen dumps, and even videos. We also offer TeamViewer, so we can show you on your PC how to work best with your software. Thank you for choosing Silver Fox.